Hey guys and girls, and welcome back to the #1 channel on real estate. Now before we get started, make sure to hit that like button, and if you enjoy the video, make sure you subscribe to be part of the Daily Hit family. Now let's get back to the video. Moving to a new city is difficult, especially if you're not sure what the rental market looks like. It's really hard to know what the best place is to rent in a new city, and it can be really expensive if you make the wrong choice. So we made this video to teach you everything you need to know about the Phoenix rental market in 2022. You'll learn about different neighborhoods, what type of housing is available, how much you can expect to pay, and much more. Phoenix, Arizona is one of the hottest rental markets in the United States. Rent costs are skyrocketing 28% over the previous year, and the price to rent ratio is 26, making the area extremely attractive for renters. Whether you're a real estate investor, a homeowner, or aspiring landlord, there's no better place to be in the market than Phoenix. Number 1. 2022 Rental Market Snapshot. Phoenix is a landlord's market with extremely high demand and vacancy rates at 3.8%, the lowest in 20 years. In January 2022, the average monthly rent for a studio apartment was $1,145, an all-time high. The cost of a one-bedroom apartment jumped by 2% to $1,275. Rental housing in Phoenix is becoming increasingly popular, with 36% of households now being renters. The median age is 34.4, with 30% of the population falling between the ages of 20 and 39. This is a great demographic for real estate investors, as 72% of the rental homes in the United States are occupied by those aged 44 and younger. For the third year in a row, Phoenix maintains its title as the country's top metro area for net migration. At a rate of 11.2%, the city is experiencing the fastest growth of any other in the country, with 200,000 individuals arriving during the previous decade. More people means more housing demand, and skyrocketing housing prices, up 32.35% year over year, make renting a more realistic option. Number 2. Booming opportunity for real estate investors. Real estate investors have recognized the growth potential, purchasing more houses in Phoenix than any other city in the country. According to experts, additional new inventory won't be enough to meet demand, and incoming residents will have to look in neighboring communities and suburbs for cheap housing. High home values might discourage some investors and would-be landlords, but home values are expected to rise throughout 2022, according to experts. The national growth rate is expected to be around 14.3%, while top markets, including Phoenix, may see higher rates of increase. In 2021, homeowners in Phoenix had a 102% sale-to-list price ratio, implying that the majority of home sellers received at least the asking price for their properties. This decreases risk for investors by ensuring they get market value for their appreciating homes, while renters pay the mortgage. Number 3. New services enter the market. In addition, new services like Nomad have recently launched in the Phoenix metro area, providing homeowners with new alternatives for purchasing, renting, and selling rental houses. Nomad is an appealing alternative for landlords and investment property owners since it provides a number of services, such as guaranteed rent. The landlords will be paid on the first of every month, no matter what, even if the tenant leaves. Top-notch marketing. Nomad's marketing and leasing teams locate renters through high-resolution photographs, 3D walkthroughs, listings on 20-plus websites, and daily showings. Hands-off experience. Nomad can manage maintenance, repair, and collecting rent. 24/7 on-call resident assistance. We don't need to deal with late-night emergencies anymore. Allow Nomad's team to handle middle-of-the-night emergency calls. Buy, rent, sell. Everything you need for real estate is all under one roof. Nomad can even help you secure your rent before you buy a new house. Nomad isn't only for property owners, though. It's also for the renters. Nomad doesn't manage market prices for properties. The market itself does that. But the company does aim to alleviate the burden of finding and purchasing a home. Renters who sign up for Nomad are sent to the best apartments, choice leases, and a 24/7 personal concierge, and Nomad assists them in developing credit and saving money when they purchase their own home. Number 4. Short-term rentals convert to long-term. 2022 is the greatest time to convert your short-term rental into a long-term unit. Short-term rental platforms have aided landlords switch from short-term rentals to long-term ones and take advantage of record-low vacancy rates and more passive income. Homeowners in the Phoenix area now have an amazing chance to monetize their property while it appreciates, thanks to rapidly increasing home values. Guaranteed rent agreements ensure that tenants pay the monthly expenses and more, while real estate assets appreciate in value year after year. On several fronts, 2021 was a record-breaking year for the Phoenix metro area, and all indicators suggest that momentum will continue into 2022 and beyond. Real estate investors and landlords aren't too late to capitalize on this opportunity. The timing is still golden.